It's a fun little project where we make a little air engine. Throughout the week, they'll learn quite a bit about CAD and CAM. It'll walk them through them, and then they get to run the pieces for each individual part of the motor to see kind of how it is when they run production parts.
When I heard they were running the ACE Bootcamp here, I was really excited to get involved. I'm part of a FIRST robotics competition team, so I work in a shop all the time, and I've done CAD for a couple years now, and I just love all things design. But there's always been like the CAM that I've never known how to do. It's a skill I've always wanted to have. My favorite part is probably after you finish designing something and then you get to go watch it be machined and see all the tools that you were putting on your computer in real life.
It's a really good experience to kind of get people who aren't familiar with what machine tool is or CAD and CAM, and it gives them a good opportunity to be exposed to it, to see if it's something they might want to look into in the future.
I'm really interested in biomedical engineering and creating medical devices and getting into the materials science of that. So this helps a lot with understanding what kind of geometries can actually go on different types of machines and the different manufacturing processes.
There's a big gap between older people who have been machining and then the younger generations. We are slowly running out of machinists, and we don't know how we're going to fill that gap unless people start to figure out that this is a good trade to go into.
Not only does it give me something that I can put on my applications, scholarship, essays, and things like that, but it also gives me something I can use now on my robotics team, and it just gives me kind of something that I felt like I didn't have, like being a girl on the team and not knowing how to use CAM. So now that I know, I feel like it gives me more confidence to go and be like, I know what I'm talking about.